In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install XM trading app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're trying to install XM app from Google Play Store but you are not able because you are encountering this error or any other related error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you need to go to your Google Play Store, and from Play Store, just tap on it, and you want to make sure you are logged into your Gmail account before you search for your app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then go to your profile icon here and go down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences, and under this, go to app download preference. Here, choose this first option over any network, and then okay. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. But in case this was not the problem, then the problem might be with Google Play Store. For that, we need to fix Google Play Store by going to settings, and from settings, look for apps. This will list all the apps you have. Look for manage apps or all apps and search for Google Play Store. Here it is, and now you can see we are on Google Play Store app info page. Here, go to force stop app, and okay, this will prevent or stop any background activities that might be causing the problem. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and okay, now restart your smartphone. And now if you go to Play Store and activate search, so I'll search for the app. Let me now search and now run the search. Now I'll go ahead, tap on the app and try to install it. Now look at that. At this point, I'm able to download XM app without any issue. So this should have fixed your problem. But at this point, you'll still encounter any challenge. For that, you'll need to ensure that you have enough space on your phone. If you don't, then delete or remove some of the apps you no longer use, and also some of the files such as images and videos on your phone that you no longer need. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.